Now then, let's see. I've lowered the forks. I'm trying to sight them in now to get a rough idea of where I'm going to be putting my sight. Move it a little bit, try again. I'll be happy if I hit that. Shooting too high. Make yourself a pin sight later, so I can adjust. All new to me. There we are. I think the forks are in the right place now. I just need to sort of pin out for my foresight and back sight. It's the beauty of the pivoting fork tips. You can set it for your anchor point and your leading eye on whichever hand you're in. So if you look at that, I'm on the target there, but I'm quite over to the left. Cheers.